Am I afraid this is gonna kick me off of the PR list? Yeah? Hello guys, it's me, Nikki. Hello. You're a glam one, Mr. Grinch. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing something that I haven't done in the longest time. I am here to review a makeup collection, and not just any makeup collection. Kylie Jenner recently launched her new collection, which is actually a collaboration with the GRINCH. If you know me, you know that I am obsessed with the GRINCH. It is one of my favorite movies of all time, not just a Christmas movie, but movie of all time. It has so many iconic moments. It really does. And to be honest, I'm just gonna say it. I don't know if I'm the only one. Let me know in the comments down below, but I feel like Kylie's launches lately have been a teensy bit boring. But when I saw sneak peeks of this collection, I was like, oh, okay, she's back. So I had a poll going on my Instagram stories to ask you if I should do a review / playtime video on this, and basically everyone said yes. Now, I haven't done a review in so long, so forgive me if I'm a little bit crusty, but I'm gonna try and give you all the tea, all the opinions on this brand new collection. I'm gonna be doing 2 eyes to show you as much of the collection as possible. And without any further ado, let's go. This collection features the GRINCH eyeshadow palette, 2 shimmer eye glazes, 4 shadow sticks, and an olive liquid liner. Now, before we get started, of course, not to prime is a crime. Okay, so this shadow palette contains 16 shadows, and there's a nice variety between shimmers and mattes, if I can count, which I think I can. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shimmer shades, and let me count. That means there's 9 matte shades. Yes, oh my God. For this eye, I think I'm gonna go more on the green side, especially this color right here, that shimmering green. It's called Last Can of Who Hash. I don't know what that means. I think the first color I wanna go in with, let's go right into my Nightmare Fuel green. Let's dip into this one right here. That is called Green and Mean. Okay, and this color is going right here on that outer, oh, hello pigment. So I'm stamping this right here on that outer corner. I want a nice little green moment over here. All right, so there's a little bit of fallout on my cheeks, plus there's a lot of fallout in the pan. Can you see that? How there's a lot of kickback powder in the palette? Now, a lot of you guys don't mind this, but I do think it's something I have to mention in a review or in a playtime video. This is a very sort of medium toned hunter green. It's going on nicely. It's nice and pigmented. I'm just gonna pop it on this outer corner and then let's move on. Okay, so one thing I'm seeing happening is, see how there's like a little patch of sheerness going on right there? So like the crease is darker, but then where I applied it the most, it becomes a bit more sheer. Why it does that. I really want to go for a nice sort of like pulled out eye, so I'm taking that green even more and really pulling that out. Miss Jenner was, you know, rocking a nice cat eye in her promo shots, and I'm like, I want to do that too. I don't know why that patch is, do you see it? I don't know why that is happening. And if anyone knows how to like not have that happening, I would also love to see that in the comments. To build some structure on the inner portion of my eye, so in front of the brow, I would like to go in with this right here called Who Pudding. On that inner corner, the signature Nikkie move, the Nikkie blend, the Nikkie That looks like Green and Mean, but just a little bit more cool toned and blue toned, but they're pretty similar in color. Blending that on. Okay. These are colors I never never gravitate towards. Do you know that TikTok? I love her. So it's definitely uncomfortable for me to like dive straight into these colors and just rock it, but you know what? Life is too short not to, so let's go there. Well, on the center portion of the lid, I just want the color all up on me. So I'm picking it up with my finger. Oh my God! Oh, please look like that on my, oh my God! That is insane. Oh, that is, oh my God. Oh my God. And I hate green, so this is saying a lot. Okay, so the shadow feels quite gritty. Like it feels like very textured, which I guess this is sort of like a more rough, glittery type pigment. But honey, the way it shines, the way it just takes the light and, oh, So I'm taking it all the way up to my brow because like we're living in this moment and we never want to leave this moment. Picking it up on a brush a little bit just because I want to move it onto this inner corner here. Oh, it applies with a brush too. Oh, that's nice. Oh my God, this color is insanity. Wow, wasn't expecting that. Okay, maybe I can darken the outer corners using Stocking Full of Coal. Okay. Outer corner, darken it a bit. Okay, so far that shimmer shade is rocking my stocking socks. The mattes are being a little bit problematic. Like, I don't know why. It's creating that patch. I mean, it's workable, but like I do want to put it out there. I see another like really intense shimmer shade here. That is called Mount Crumpet. Let's pop that on the inner corner, shall we? Oh, an icy teal blue duochrome? I'll see that. Okay, so it's picking up on a brush. It's putting it down with a brush. That's good. Ooh, if anyone's like an old school like makeup lover, remember Reflex Teal by MAC? That is basically this color. I mean, the shadows are looking really pretty, but that patch is the only thing that's like really bugging me. So I'm taking more of that darkest color and just try to like hide it. Did that do it? I think I'm gonna stop here. Don't touch it. Okay, don't touch it, girl. For the outer corner of the lower lash line, I'm just taking that darkest color again, and I'm just gently stamping that on. Ooh, a nice little smoky moment on the bottom. I'm not mad at it. I love that. I'm gonna take this one, Old Grinch. Okay. All right, so Kylie also made these shimmer eye glazes. I've never tried these before by her brand, and this one is in the color Stealing Christmas. It's like a beautiful, like vintage gold. I'm gonna pop that on the inner corner of my lower lash line as a pop of shimmer. I don't know how these apply because I've never tried them, but like, let's find out together. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, those are pretty. Oh, see that? Oh, I don't mind. So that is going right here on that inner third. I was scared the shimmer eye glaze was gonna have a lot of fallout, but actually it's none at all. I want to intensify Mount Crumpet a bit more on that inner corner because more is always better in my opinion. Well, I think that is eye one. We played with lots of the green colors in the palette. The theme so far is fallout and patchiness, but still managing to create a bomb-ass look. All right, so let me pop a lash on and then let's play with the other colors of this palette. All right, so the green eye is done, and I must say I love it. It wasn't the easiest journey, but we got there in the end. Now for the other eye, let's play more with the neutrals and this shimmer here. I kind of want to do the same shape so it kind of looks like one look in the end anyways. So the first color I want to go in with is this neutral color right here called You're a Vile One. And that too is going right here on that outer corner, just like we did with the green. We're going for a classic Nikkie shape today. This is a lovely neutral color. It's like right in the middle of cool toned and warm toned. Like it's perfect. This doesn't have that sort of patch problem as the green did. And it's very nice and soft. It's pigmented. It goes on very easily. I like the color. So this is definitely easier to use than the green so far. And I mean, I guess one thing all the matte shades from Kylie have in common is that they have fallout. It's just a common thing that I've seen in the past, and it still continues now in the present. So I think that's something you gotta keep in mind when ordering from Kylie Cosmetics. Now for that inner portion here, let's do Who's Who. Right here on that inner portion. Ooh, that color is pretty. Okay, and also in this launch are shadow sticks. Now, two of the colors that spoke to me a lot is this sort of baby pink, and I have this sort of rose gold. It's a very unique color. It's called Risky Biz, and I'm gonna pop that on the center of my lid as a base for the color that I'm gonna be applying on top, which is this right here called Da Who Da Rays. Sticking that right on. I expected more. For some reason, I thought that was gonna be like super like reflective and like intense, and it's just like, it's like me on a Monday morning. It's not all that interesting. I'm picking up, okay, let's first pick up that color with a brush. Stamp it on top of that shadow stick. Oh, okay, well, it's like a true rose gold shadow. It's like that typical like pretty girl color. I kind of was hoping for more of that shimmering green textured sort of shadow. Like it felt a little bit more gritty to the touch. Like it really is super glam, whereas I kind of don't see that with this shade. I mean, it's pretty, but I was hoping it would have the finish of the green on the other eye. It's kind of boring. On the inner corner, let's go for this shade here. It looks like a pink base with a green sheen to it. Oh, it's like a glowing mint green. Oh, I like that. Oh, I didn't think I was gonna like that one, but I do. I also have the Kylie liner in olive, so let's add a little olive wing. Shall we? Not my favorite liquid liner because this has a felt tip, so it's kind of stiff sometimes where it tends to skip the skin a little bit, so you're left with like holes in your liner and you have to go back in to fill it in. I love the olive touch to it. I think that's very fun. Like I prefer hairs as opposed to like a felt tip, but like it gets the job done. Okay, for the lower lash line, I'm taking Old Grinch again. Sticking right on that outer corner. And then continuing with Who's Who, the more orange tone. Not gonna lie, I expected a little bit more of this eye, mainly from that lid color, but still it's a very pretty, kind of basic glam look. Now let me pop my lash on and then let's play with the cheek products. So even though I expected a bit more, I still think that this more neutral eye is very pretty. Like we have a full green Grinch moment and we have like a grown-up Cindy Lou Who. More final thoughts on this palette at the end of this video. For now, let's focus on the cheek products that were in this collection. One of them is this blush right here. I am a sucker for this packaging. It's just so simple but cute. This right here is a pink blush and it is called Max the Reindeer. And I think Kylie's blushes are really pretty. Picking some up and let's spruce up them apples. So I'm gonna blush more towards the side of my face here. That is really pink. I'm only gonna do the tiniest bit at the tip of the nose because I mean, Whoville is like nose contour Queenville. I mean, a cute blush, but I think if you love pink blush, you probably already have a color like this. It's not like super special anyway. Now, what hopefully is really special is the highlighter. This is the Kylie Jenner Pressed Illuminating Powder in Littlest of Who's. And this looks like that shadow that I applied on my inner corner here, which has more like a pink, soft pink base, but like a green shine. Yep, I was right. This is basically that shadow in a more soft, subdued highlighter version for the face. It's very wearable though, because like usually when you hear green highlighter, you're like, I don't know about that, honey. But this one works. It's like soft enough to work. Now for lips, there were quite a lot of lip products in this collection. There's one lip kit with a lip pencil as well as a matte liquid lipstick. There's 2 high glosses and a set of 6 lipsticks, including this metallic one, which is called Mr. Grinch, and it's like a green glitter. Let me swatch it for you. Oh my God. I just want to see what that looks like. Very frosty. I'm telling you, frosty lips are making a comeback. But one of the lipsticks that is really intriguing me is this one right here. It is called Mean One, and it's a super, super bright, almost corally red. So first I'm gonna line with the lip pencil of the lip kit set. I mean, since I have it. I mean, Kylie's lip pencils, I think, are one of the best on the market. They're super pigmented, they're super creamy and easy to apply. So I knew this would be smooth sailing. Oh, honey. Now that is what I call a red. That is one of the prettiest classic bright reds ever. I actually really, really like Kylie's matte lipsticks, like the regular like bullet lipsticks, because they're matte, they're super long lasting, and they have almost the wear of a liquid lip without being a liquid lip. This red is it. Then just for a little bit of shine, I'm taking this gloss right here and I'm just popping it on the Cupid's bow and like the center of the lip. So here. Oh, that's pretty. And then some here. Ooh, that is a candy apple lip, honey. Now let's move on to my final thoughts. All right, my glow babies, and this is the final look. Which side do you prefer? I think I am this is shock. I think I'm team green eye because it's so glam, and paired with the red lip, it's just Christmas makeup in a nutshell. Definitely let me know in the comments down below which side you love more. Overall, this collection really captivates people because it's the Grinch, but I am not gonna lie, I feel a little bit underwhelmed. With a lot of the products, I really hoped for more than what I got. The palette is super, super cute, but there is a lot of fallout. Now, if you don't care about fallout, I think you're gonna enjoy this palette a lot, but there is a lot of fallout. I think the neutral colors are really pretty, the greens are really pretty, but I kind of want more of this green shade, that texture and that finish. I want to see more of that. One of my favorites of this collection are the shimmer eye glazes. This was my first time trying these out from Kylie, and I'm really impressed with them. I think they went on super, super easy. They have a lot of shine to them. These are very quick and easy to use products that give you a beautiful, beautiful finish to your look. So I highly recommend these. The eye sticks literally were about the most underwhelming products of the year. The olive Kyliner, it is growing on me. I think I would have liked it more if it leaned a little bit more towards green, but it's a fun everyday wearable type of olive liner. The tip isn't my favorite, I already said that, but if you've been a fan of the Kyliner so far and you love the color olive, I don't see how you don't like that one then. What? I love Kylie's traditional lipsticks, like the matte ones. I think they are super long wearing. They have a bunch of pigment and they're very easy to use. And this red, I am in love with it. It's a very fun set. It's got darker colors, it's got neutral colors, and that bright popping red. So I think if you're a lipstick lover, this one's for you. The lip gloss, really cute, but I always feel like with a lot of the glosses lately, it's just a lot of shine. This is a high gloss, so this acts more for like shine as opposed to a color. So that beautiful sort of peachy glitter doesn't necessarily translate. So if you have a high gloss by Kylie already, you probably don't need this. The blush is just very pink. I mean, if you love pink blush, you're gonna love this one. It's not my personal favorite. I'm more of a peach blush person, but that's total personal preference. And the highlighter is nice and pretty. It's a nice change for once in a while because it has a green sheen, but it's still very natural and wearable. So it's not like, oh my God, you got green cheeks. No, it's very like, I got green cheeks. But overall, I think I was just expecting a bit more. I mean, if you love the Grinch, if you love collecting makeup, I know a lot of people love collecting makeup. I think this is a great addition to your collection, but is it necessarily like a must-have collection? No. Am I afraid this is gonna kick me off of the PR list? Yeah. But yeah, there you have it. At the end of the day, you are the boss of your wallet and you are the boss of your life. So you get to decide for yourself if you think this collection is worth it. For today's Dutch word of the day, thank you so much for commenting on my last one. This collection was quite the surprise. Verrassing. Verrassing. This collection was quite the verrassing. As always, if you want to get featured in my next video, all you have to do is leave the Dutch word of the day down below in the comments. I want to thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If I should do more makeup reviews again, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And hopefully, I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!